fuel caps can go for some money too, so don't forget to take this off. Probably again I don't have a fucking screwdriver. There you go. What the fuck? Yeah, just literally lift it off like this. Okay, before we start pulling out the tank, you need to take out the pump, I think. It's usually in here, if I'm not mistaken. See, I'm learning just like you guys, except some of you are good, some of you are shit, and I'm fucking terrible. But anyway, let's have a look in here. And yes, there's a nice fuel pump. Label all this as fuel pump. Okay, so we're gonna finally take out the petrol tank together with all its guts. So it's kind of clipped, sort of just sits on this really, I think, and same on the other side, and then it should just drop hopefully. So let's give that a go. And then obviously unclip your hose here to take out all of this juice. Okay, your petrol tank is a number 10, just under here. This one here, and just this one there. So 2 number 10s. If anything you see, just fucking take off completely, because it's not moving yet. You might need to unclip that as well. So first we'll undo these ones. Okay, so this tank is out. Now we can get to these bits, and also easier to get to the tank. It all comes out now nicely. All right. So you have undone one. Now it drops. But then you also need to remove this, so that you can pull it out. And obviously, same shit on the other side. So let's do this shit. Oh man, it smells of petrol everywhere. So now we're ready to pull the tank. Okay dudes, so we've raised it up. Petrol tank is coming out with the valuable petrol. So make sure you've got a canister ready to collect some petrol. Some came out there. That's cool. Right, I think it's time to release it basically. It will just pull off and fall off on the ground. Okay dudes, before you pull it, you gotta release all the hoses from the tank obviously for it to drop. So all of these connecting pipes, etc, etc. Oh fuck. Yeah, and big project. Imagine putting it all back together. Fuck that.
A friend of mine that used to do cut and shop vehicles and things and rebuild cars, he bought a Escort totally in bits.
Yeah.
Thinking this is going way back.
Yeah.
And I think it's something you never wished you'd take it on. He didn't make much money out of it.
Nah. But did you see how much they are now? Like those Escort Mark 1 RSs, they're like 50 grand.
Yeah.
Even more. Well, yeah, like anything.
I'm loving it.